Types of agriculture. Agricultural activities can be broadly divided into the following two categories: subsistent agriculture, commercial agriculture. Subsistent agriculture. It is a primitive form of agriculture. In this type of agriculture, the produce is mainly consumed by farmers' family. This type of agriculture is known as subsistence cultivation. Subsistence agriculture is further divided into following kinds: shifting agriculture. Shifting agriculture is a primitive form of agriculture. For shifting agriculture, the forests are cleared by falling trees, cutting the bushes and grasses. Even today, shifting agriculture is practiced in some regions of the world. The shifting cultivation is also known as jhum cultivation in northeastern states of India, Roca in Brazil, Ladang in Malaysia, and Mesol in Zaire. Then we have sedentary subsistence agriculture. In sedentary agriculture, farmers do not shift from one place to place. A family or a group of families work on a particular plot of cultivable land and grow crops. It is a more advanced form of subsistence farming. It is just the opposite of the shifting agriculture. Then we have intensive subsistence cultivation. Intensive subsistence type agriculture is mainly preferred in Korea, India, China, Japan, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, etc. These are the monsoon lands of Asia. Under intensive subsistence cultivation, the farmer do cultivation with the help of their families. High quality of seeds, farm manure, chemical fertilizers, insecticides and pesticides are used well in this type of cultivation to increase production. Then we have extensive agriculture. This type of agriculture is practiced widely in those countries which are developed scientifically and have less population density. In United States of America, Canada, Australia, Argentina, this type of agriculture is widely practiced. Then we have commercial agriculture. In commercial agriculture, the agriculture is done mainly with the objective to sell the product in the market. So you see here the difference between subsistence agriculture and commercial agriculture is that in subsistence agriculture, the farmer are doing the agricultural activities or the cultivation activities for the needs only, for the family consumption only. But under commercial agriculture, they are doing all the activities for profit making or for objective to sell their product in the market. Then we have mixed farming. Mixed farming refers to that form of farming in which cultivation of crops and rearing of cattle go hand in hand. So you see here in mixed farming there is not only the cultivation of land but also they are rearing the cattle and hand in hand they are doing these activities all together. Then we have dairy farming. Dairy farming means rearing of cattle, mainly rearing of milch cow to meet the demand of milk and its related product in urban areas. So dairy farming is particularly to meet the needs of the milk in urban areas or related products like curd and cheese and etc. Then we have truck farming. It is a method of growing special vegetable crops in relative large quantities of distant market by the employment of intensive method. Then we have horticulture. Horticulture refers to the growing of flowers and fruit. It is mainly done for trade. In urban areas, the demand of fruits and flowers is more, therefore they are taken to urban areas from the village for sale. Coconut, bananas, jamun, jackfruit, mango, cashew nut are the most important fruits which are in great demand in the urban areas. So horticulture is becoming a trend now, because in urban areas there is a huge demand of fruits and flowers, and because the urban people are demanding that, so they are growing, and coconut, bananas, jamun, jackfruit, mangoes, these are the common or most popular fruits which are asked by the population. Then we have cooperative farming. As the name itself suggests, cooperative farming is based on the principle of cooperation. Under this farming, the owner and tenant farmer bring their resources together. As a result of collective buying and selling, the seeds, fertilizers, implements at cheap rate can be obtained.